Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a photo or a picture using the iPhone camera on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, open up the camera app, and once the camera app has opened, you can swipe across and choose photo at the bottom. Now in here, by default, there are three options. You got 0.5 zoom, 1x zoom, and 3x zoom. And you can also zoom more in than that by using the pinching action. So if I zoom out, I can pinch it in, or I can pinch out. Once I pinch out, it will zoom closer to the subject, as you can see right here. So at the moment, the maximum it can go in is 15 times, and I can zoom it back out. Next, after you have selected your zoom focus, you can then tap on the subject to focus on the part where you want to take the photo, and then you tap on the shoot button, and that will allow you to capture a photo. Now this is a photo using a standard lens, so you can zoom out to use wide angle lens or telephoto lens. There is also portrait mode that you will use a portrait lens. Portrait modes allow you to take a photo with a blur background. Okay, so you can take a photos and using the f-stop, and that will allow you to apply the shallow depth of field. You can take the photos, and in here you can also choose different lighting style for your portrait subject. Okay, and then if you want, you can use panel mode to take a panorama photo. So tap on the shoot button, and then you can swipe or move your phone across the screen, and this will allow you to take a panorama photo. And if you swipe across to the other side, you can take video, cinematic video, slow-mo, and time-lapse. But for photos, mostly you would want to use the photo option right there. And that's how you can take a photo using the rear camera. To use the front camera, all you have to do is tap on this switch button, and that will switch to the front camera to take a selfie. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.